this video we will discuss about graph data structure. So like a tree, graph is a non-linear data structure, and you can define the graph like set of vertices and set of edges. So see, these are the vertices, node, it is also called nodes, and this arrow from one vertex to another vertex, that is called edge. This is an example of directed graph. So here you can see this is called self loop. That vertex is connected to itself. Okay, here this edge 1 is connected to 2 using this edge. Okay, so this is called self loop, and these are called parallel edges. Okay, these are called parallel edges. Now in degree and out degree of a node or a vertex. Okay, so the total number of edges coming to that node, that is called the in degree. Here the in degree of this 4 is 2, because see, this one edge is coming to 4 plus this edge is also coming to 4. So the in degree of this node is 2. But out degree, that means the total number of edges are going out from that particular node. So here out degree of this node is 1. One more example, here 2 as in degree is also 1 and out degree is also 1. Now this is an example of simple diagram. If graph does not have any self loop and does not have any parallel edges, then it is called simple digraph. Now this is an example of non-directed graph. As you can see in this, the edge has a direction. Okay, this edge is from 1 to 2 only, not from 2 to 1. Okay, so this is an example of directed graph, while this is an example of non-directed graph. Okay, so number of edges connected to this particular node is 1, 2 and 3. So here in non-directed graph there is no in degree or out degree, but degree of a node. So the degree of this node is 3, degree of this node is 2, degree of this node is 3. So this is an example of non-directed graph. Now this is an example of non-connected graph. Okay, here you can see all the edges are not connected. So this is an example of non-connected graph, and there are two components of this graph, but this we can say this is one graph. Okay, now strongly connected graph, that is used for directed graph only. Okay, so what is strongly connected graph is, you can start from any vertex and you can reach to any vertex. So for example, if I start from 1, I can reach to 4, I can reach to 3, I can reach to 5. You can see 1 to 2, 2 to 5, 1 to 2, 2 to 5, 5 to 4. Again I can reach to 3 also. If I start from 4 and I want to reach to 1, I can from 4 to 3 and 3 to 1. Okay, so you can start from any vertex and you can reach to any other vertex, then it is called strongly connected graph. Now this is an example of connected, but it is not strongly connected. All the vertices are connected, but it is not strongly connected, because if you can start from 1 and if let's say I want to reach to vertex 5, I cannot. Okay, all the vertices are not reachable. Okay, then next terminology is associated with graph is path. So path is nothing but set of all the vertices in between a pair of vertices. Okay, so for example, here a path from 1 to 5, 1 to 2, 2 to 5, you can say this is one path. Next terminology is cycle. So it is also called circular path also. So if there is a path starting from that particular vertex and again reach back to the same vertex, then it is called a circular path or a circuit. Okay. Now next, directed acyclic graph, so which does not have any cycle. So what is called DAG, if you start from any vertex, you cannot reach to the same vertex again. So if you start from 1, you cannot reach to 1. If you start from 2, if you use any path, you cannot reach to 2 same vertex again. If you start from 4, you cannot reach to 4 again. There is no path from 4 to 4. Okay, so this is an example of directed acyclic graph. So this all are the terminologies associated with graph data structure, non-linear.